Hi guys, well we're here, we've got red paint, we've got an idiot masking and we've got a bus. Let's turn it red.
You know the drama is never ending. Don't let it get the best of you. And all the fake friends just keep pretending. That's how the little things get huge. Paralyzing every pore. Oh, you feel it taking over you. To the center of your core. The lies are getting overused. When you are under the weather, getting caught in the storm. Do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby. 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 I know the feeling, it's traumatizing. I fall apart piece by piece. No superheroes, no silver linings. Just keep on moving to the beat. Paralyzing every pore. Oh, you feel it taking over you. To the center of your core. The lies are getting overused. When you are under the weather, getting caught in the storm. Do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby. 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 We fall apart, piece by piece. That's how the little things get huge. Just keep on moving to the beat. Don't let them get the best of you. When you are under the weather, getting caught in the storm. Do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby.
I'm so good at pretending. Keep on smiling in my tiny bubble, like a movie without ending. Spending time like it was going backwards. Posters covering my walls, but they fall down. Diving deeper in the books that we read blind. Breathing in and breathing out to get smarter. Not working out for me, yeah. Got no money on my mind. Tell my mommy I'm alright. Even laughing at the tricks you tell me. Keep myself inside the lines. Needing tidy all the time. If you ask me, I am fine. Got no money on my mind. the colors. Posters covering my walls, but they fall down. Diving deeper in the books that we read blind. Breathing in and breathing out to get smarter.
Right guys, well, the time lapse stopped because we've done the other side. We're now, let me pick these up and tilt my screen so I can see. We've now got all the top done. It is in the wrong red. I'm sure someone will point that out in the comments, but you know I've said it. We're just going to do the bottom bit now, and that's this side done nearly. We've then just got to do the black rubbers, the black is touching up really. Now.
Day 2.
Hi guys, well it's day 2 of fucking God knows how many days this is going to go on. Experimenting, we've got one sticker, it's wrong gapping, but never mind that, we should have just cut it and then shrunk it. We've just thought of that now, but never mind that small detail, because no doubt the bus news will also point out it's the wrong red, so having the wrong sticker on the front is going to be no issues. Next is the Dundee one, and then we've got some 71761s, so we'll get this one done now for you and let you watch. What can possibly go wrong? Right, we can be satisfied with that level, aren't we? Yeah. And it is straight? Yeah. Right. Easier because it's larger font.
Say that now.
Right. Is that now level?
I think that's about as right as you're going to get.
Yeah. But it's a bit late now, it's stuck.
Yeah.
It's only there in the watch set.
Yeah, they'll come out once the skins are floated.
And the E's are conjoined. Plus the paint won't help these stick doing now. Clean paint in it at the moment.
Extremely clean. Still tacky clean.
not going to peel. That's close enough.
Not bad.
We'll put a still of this and what it should look like next to each other, and you'll agree it's not far off. It could be better, but it's not far off. I mean, the tweaks we can do, the Dundee is pretty damn near on. It's just the Nat X bit that needs a bit of work, but we can easily sort of like take the N off to make the M round and the E, and do some bits and bobs like that. But now we're going to move round to the side. We're going to have to get the scaffolding out so we can actually do this properly. We might move the bus back so we can, I don't know, we possibly get the scaffolding through there. We can get it through there. So we'll do this side first, because this side is the side that the scaffolding is actually stored at. It is now. Right, this is very precarious, full health and safety here at work. Right, where the fuck does it, I'm saying there?
Centre of the door and I'll use it. I think it's far from that actually.
Say it's about there, centre of the door.
The offside is literally just above it. So
I'm not interested in the offside, I want the near
yeah,
side.
no, I haven't got that. So
There should be one in the group.
There's only
Google it. There is one. Might be 172. So that's how I know one belongs here. Bear with us, guys. Just experiencing technical issues. Idiot's not done the research. Take a moment to talk amongst yourselves.
A few moments later.
centre of the door.
That's about where I had it then, wasn't it?
Literally just above that.
Right, I'm going in for it. One chance. One chance only.
So you want between the 1 and the 7 at the very tip of the edge of that centre.
That there.
Should be a bit lower. Tiny bit. Yeah, there.
No, because there's a lip there, which is what I'd say there.
Yeah. There you go.
That level. A bit fucking late now.
Yeah, it's level one. It's open down there.
So this number was placed with pure guesswork. Bus is gaining its identity. Just damp the paintwork. Won't notice. Yeah.
Probably about 6 peeled off that.
It's on. 7176. Right, other side now. Next, the offside numbers. There in it.
A bit to the left, slightly.
There.
Keep going. That'll do you.
It's level. There's no
Yeah.
squeezy. So I came ill prepared for this. Thank you. Mint! Got his identity. Right, now down to the free one we got given, which we discovered there's one on the front, but it's not the right size. It might be actually. Maybe just a little bit small. That's on the front bumper, so let's go around there. Let's get this ladder away from my paperwork. This is all provided by Final Lettering Online.uk. Unusual on that one. I was going to say .co.uk, but never mind. They're not sponsoring, but they sent free shit for some reason, so we'll just go with that. Thanks to them. Alright. Where's it going, master? There.
A little bit up. And a bit to the left. A bit down again. Oh, it'll be going there now.
That won't. There.
A bit lower. That'll do, yep.
Straight.
Yep, we're good. That's not bad actually.
Might give it me free because I didn't get a free squeegee this time, so I've got one. And here we go. The 7's on. The 1 is on. The 7's on. The 6 gave us issues, but it's on. That's not a bad size. 2-inch lettering. My baby now. I'm still not going to hug it, but it's my baby now. We've now just got to clean up from the painting. Because it looks like someone's had a go at the bus. But their love everywhere all over it.
And just so you know, windows also come in blue.
Yeah. So, we'll pause now, we're going to get our stuff ready for cleaning and then we'll get on with cleaning. We'll start on one side at a time. Right guys, well with the ensuing weather being, it's pissing it down. And the fact that it was here all yesterday, we've done some cleaning to it. We've got some of it off the windows. Not done up there yet, we've not even looked up there. We've done some down here. But I'm just going to leave it for today. Get home. Because basically the paint job's now done. We've got all our stickers on. The paint job is virtually done. It's just a case of tidying up now after it. And yeah, when we was here all yesterday painting, I can't be bothered today to do it. So I'll come back next week, get it cleaned up, and then you'll have photographs of it all cleaned up, rubbers painted and everything. So yeah. Obviously thanks to the guys, links down below where we got the paint from and who did the vinyl lettering for us. But it's looking good now. Looking very good. We're nearly officially part of the NatX network, it's just that the N and the E is wrong, but never mind. We'll sort them out at a later time. Thanks for watching, we'll see you next time, bye for now. Carry out all the cockpit drill, which is all the visual checks we're going to be doing on the vehicle before we would like to start the engine. So we're going to be checking the handbrake is on, it's in neutral, which it is. Your fussy would do that, that is definitely in neutral. We want to be checking all the warning